What if I told you that every time you go online on WhatsApp, someone could be watching? Every status, group, and profile change could be tracked without you ever knowing. Today, I'll reveal 10 shocking Osint tools hackers and researchers use to gather info from WhatsApp. This is for educational purposes only. Don't use these tools for anything illegal. Our goal is to help you understand the risks and protect yourself. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the WhatsApp Web Tracker, a tool that's quietly changing the way people can monitor your activity online. With nothing more than your phone number, this tool can keep tabs on your online status around the clock. No hacking skills or special access needed. It works by pinging WhatsApp servers every few seconds, automatically recording every moment you appear online or offline, building a precise log of your activity. Over days or even weeks, the tracker compiles a detailed timeline of your habits, revealing your sleep schedule, work hours, lunch breaks, and even the times you usually chat with friends or family. All of this happens completely silently. You'll never receive a notification or warning that you're being watched. These tracking scripts are surprisingly easy to set up, and many are available for free on public code repositories like GitHub, making them accessible to almost anyone. Just enter a list of phone numbers, and the script will automatically log the online and offline times for everyone on that list, creating a detailed spreadsheet of activity. WhatsApp treats your online status as public information, so there's no real way to block this kind of tracking, except by understanding that it's possible. You can't hide your online status from your contacts, and that's the loophole these trackers exploit to gather your data. This is just the first step in building a detailed profile of your daily habits, routines, and even your social patterns. It's a massive invasion of privacy. And the truth is, most WhatsApp users have no idea this is happening in the background. The only real protection you have is awareness, knowing that this kind of surveillance is possible and being mindful of your digital footprint. So, stay alert, stay informed, and always be aware of what's possible when it comes to your online privacy. Next, we delve into the intriguing world of the WhatsApp Last Seen Analyzer. This sophisticated tool doesn't just log when you're online, it meticulously analyzes your patterns, learning your habits to predict your future behavior with surprising accuracy. It identifies routines, such as your morning commute or evening downtime, and can even map your social connections by comparing your activity with others, creating a detailed digital footprint. For hackers, this means they can determine when you're most likely to respond, or who you communicate with most frequently, making it easier to exploit your network. In a corporate setting, it can reveal team schedules, key communicators, and even potential vulnerabilities in communication patterns. After just a few weeks, it can forecast when you'll be online next, ideal for those planning targeted attacks or marketing strategies. Your habits, once harmless, become a weapon against you, turning your routine into a potential threat. It's not merely about data collection, it's about transforming your routine into a vulnerability that can be exploited. The more predictable your behavior, the easier you are to target, making you a prime candidate for digital manipulation. Stay unpredictable and be mindful of your digital patterns. Adjust your privacy settings to protect yourself from becoming an easy target. Think your group chats are private? Think again. The WhatsApp group info scraper can extract member lists, phone numbers, and profile info from any group it joins. All it takes is a public invite link or a careless member. Once inside, the tool downloads member data and monitors group activity, who posts, when, and how often. This info is a gold mine for targeted scams, like phishing campaigns in crypto groups or neighborhood watch chats. Even your vacation plans can be exposed to criminals. The lesson? Be careful about group invites and who you let in. Lock down your privacy settings and think twice before sharing sensitive info. Group chats aren't as secure as you think. Protect your digital community. You might think your disappearing WhatsApp status is here today, gone tomorrow. But the truth is, it's not as temporary as you believe. With tools like the WhatsApp Status Downloader, every status you post, photos, videos, even text updates, can be quietly saved by anyone before they vanish from your app. Anyone using this tool can create a permanent archive of your so-called fleeting moments. That late-night meme, a political opinion, or a party photo you thought would disappear? It's now stored forever, out of your control, and you'll never know it's happening. There's no alert, no notification, nothing to warn you. Over time, someone could piece together your daily habits, interests, routines, and even your location, just from your statuses. A single photo might reveal where you are, what you own, or even who you're spending time with, details you never intended to share widely. These downloaded statuses can be misused for harassment, blackmail, or even profiling you for targeted scams or unwanted attention. So, always be mindful of what you share, even if it's meant to disappear. Temporary doesn't mean private, and privacy isn't guaranteed. Once something is online, it can be saved forever. Think twice before you post. Your stories might last much longer than you expect. Your profile picture is more revealing than you think. The WhatsApp profile picture tracker logs every change you make, creating a visual timeline of your life. New relationship, vacation, job change, it's all there. Using reverse image search, someone can link your WhatsApp to other social media accounts. Even how often you change your picture can reveal your personality or emotional state. Each photo is a breadcrumb, and this tool collects them all. Your profile picture tells a story, sometimes more than you intend. Be cautious about what you share and how often you update it. Your digital footprint is bigger than you think. Your phone number is a key to your digital life. The WhatsApp number lookup tool can find if your number is registered, pull your profile photo, and about info. But it goes further, searching data breaches, public forums, and social media for any trace of your number. In seconds, someone can uncover your name, email, address, and more. Old posts, forgotten accounts, and weak privacy settings make it easy to connect the dots. Linking your number to social media can expose your entire network. All it takes is one search, and your private life is an open book. Protect your number, use strong privacy settings, and think twice before sharing it. Your number is more than digits. It's your identity. Guard it carefully. The WhatsApp message scheduler exploit is both clever and invasive. By sending you invisible messages at scheduled times, an attacker can track exactly when you're online and reading chats. Even with last seen and read receipts disabled, the scheduler's dashboard logs when you open WhatsApp. Repeated use builds a precise map of your activity. This method bypasses privacy settings and works silently. It's a subtle way to monitor your behavior without your consent. Attackers can use this info to time their scams or social engineering attempts perfectly. Be wary of strange or blank messages from unknown contacts. Even a single message can be a tracking tool. Stay vigilant. WhatsApp's location sharing can be exploited in unexpected ways. Attackers use IP logger links disguised as harmless content. Click, and your approximate location is revealed. Media files can leak GPS data if metadata isn't stripped. Even casual chat questions can trick you into revealing where you are. Over time, these small leaks add up to a detailed map of your movements. Be cautious with links, media, and what you say in chats. Your location is valuable. Don't give it away for free. Protect your privacy, both technically and socially. The WhatsApp chat exporter is one of the most invasive tools. With brief access to your unlocked phone, someone can export entire chat histories, including media, in seconds. Malware can automate this, sending your conversations to attackers without your knowledge. Once exported, your chats can be searched for sensitive info, analyzed for patterns, or used for blackmail. Corporate espionage and personal threats become real risks. Your private words become a liability. Always secure your device and be wary of suspicious apps. Your conversations are valuable. Protect them. Don't let your chat history fall into the wrong hands. The WhatsApp metadata analyzer digs into your backups, local or cloud, to extract revealing patterns. Even if messages are encrypted, metadata like timestamps, contacts, and message types can be analyzed. Hackers with access to your backup can reconstruct your communication habits and social circles. This tool is used in digital forensics and espionage to map relationships and routines. Metadata can be as revealing as the messages themselves. Secure your backups and cloud accounts. Encryption isn't a silver bullet, Protect your metadata too. The ghosts of your messages can still haunt you. Those are 10 powerful Osint tools that can turn your WhatsApp into an open book. The goal isn't to scare you, but to help you protect yourself. Be mindful of what you share, who you trust, and your privacy settings. Stay skeptical of strange links and group invites. Your digital safety is in your hands. Subscribe for more tips on staying secure in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant.